US, UK, and German indices starting the week on a slightly flat note here. And now today is the first trading session, and which direction it's going to take with the European session, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Germany40, and the FTSE100. We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into Nasdaq, followed with Dow, then Germany, and in the end UK. Watch the Tech 100 on the hourly charts. You can notice drop, sideways movement, or you can say rise then sideways movement, then rise then sideways movement, trading in the bullish channel. It is still under retracement. The support levels here on the downside towards 21,100 is very strong. It is too far, and now for the day only selling entry is confirmed if it trades below 21,280 levels. 21,280, 270, very good support. 21,240 the next, and 21,200 the third. So these are the three support levels. If you see Nasdaq trading below 21,200 any point of time, you can say more bearishness should prevail. Now then what we can expect, notice this, divide this into two, connect the dots here, slightly higher high. So if it seen trading below 21,200, possibility is there that we may see a move towards 21,000. And if 21,000 is taken, then again a greater correction should appear here. Now also notice on the upside, see, despite the rise, I can see a bit of resistance coming into picture at 21,400 levels. So it is very important for it to break beyond this zone, 21,360, 400. Stochastic rising, MACD has already retraced, trying to converge here. Already the RSI is at top here. On the two, the observation is similar. I can see a bit of higher lows and lower highs. Let it come out of this consolidation zone, which means if you see it is staying beyond 21,360, you can buy for 21,400. And if you see it is staying above 21,400, stay bullish for 21,440. 480 and 500. Beyond 500 is where the bulls are waiting. Till 500, I will be recommending you to stay cautious. Now what's happening here on the 2-hour chart? See, despite the higher lows, any point of time, if you see it is staying below 21, 280, 270, stay short for 240, 200. If you look at the moving averages, these have started to converge, which is a good sign for the bulls. But the stochastic is at top. The MACD is also retraced sharp. Let's see how far it can rise. RSI is flat. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar, slightly gap filling and now trying to bounce back. However, I will only recommend you to buy about 21,360 and 21,400 zone. Also notice another point to note here. See, after this bigger decline, what has happened? NASDAQ 100 is trading in a zone. It is neither breached below 20,900, 800 levels rather, which is a good support zone, and not traded above 21,800. So this is a 1,000-point wide zone which it has created. And right now, if you notice, it is almost at the median. So this is the median, and from here it will decide the direction it wants to take. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI comfortable. On the 4-hour, similar observation, nothing different, nothing more, nothing less. Lower highs, higher lows. Let it break beyond 21,360 or trade below 21,280 for this 80 points. Do not take a trade, and a possibility is there that what it is replicated here may get replicated here as well. The retracement and the drop, support levels are sharp towards 21,000 and lower levels. Stochastic overbought here, while the MACD, RSI both are showing a bit of rise. On the daily, now see, on the daily charts, lower highs are there and it is still trading in red. No, though it has filled the gap, but I will wait for it to turn deep red, then only confirm a selling entry. Also on the upside, very important for it to break beyond 21,360 and 400, because once it turns green, we can look forward to 21,440, 460, and in fact 21,500 as the next milestone. Remember, after the decline here, first bullish candle, and now if it breaks out, it is going to deliver a strongly bullish candle, which can in fact take it towards 21,600 as well. So I'll wait for a breakout for Tech 100. This could deliver the top of the channel here, which is right now at 21,600. Let's see how far it can stretch as a rise. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI is comfortable. So looking at this, first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy 21,360, 370, expect 21,400, 440 and 500. Beyond 21,500, 21,540 and 21,600 is a must. On the 21,500 should provide a greater resistance on the upside. On the downside, take a selling until 21,280, 270, expect 21,250, 240 first. 21,200 next, 21,100, 55 the third, and 21,100 the fourth. Below 21,100, I think the bears will be taking over towards 21,000 and lower levels. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets. trade accordingly. Let's move to down. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. After this bigger drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. See the support it has created here at 40, 42, 400, 360 zone, which is a good support zone. And now it is creating the next support here at 42, 600, 570 zone, the next support zone. So see, moving average is crossing over here. Indeed is a good sign. But also what I'm noticing here is the lower highs here. So this is under retracement, not a reversal. A reversal confirmation is only and only if you see Dow Jones trading above 43,000 levels. Stochastic at bottom here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI comfortable. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts also similar observation. Right now a bit of support is coming in at 58 period moving average, but it is not that it cannot breach, because see, I can see a bit of resistance here at 42,700. So now if you see US30 trading below 42,600 30 levels, you can take a sell, expect 42,580, 570, and then in fact 42,500 levels should appear. Right now I can see that it is trading in a retracement channel. The lows of the channel are towards 42,500, which should be a very good support, and then 42,400, 360. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD rising, the RSI is flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. I will wait for a breakout here on the downside. See a couple of red candles, lower highs. It can still give you a breakout here. So if you see it is staying below 42,630, you can take a selling entry here. But I will recommend on the downside till 42,400, 360, you have to be extremely cautious with the sells. The stochastic at the top, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The 20 period moving average should be a good support and the median of the bullish band. So this zone is going to remain the most critical support zone for US30 on the downside. And on the upside, we know 42, 700, 740 zone is something you should watch out. The stochastic at the top, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to on the daily charts, remember forming the base, it is tried to retrace, it is created a stronger hurdle here on the upside. So now if you see it is staying above 42, 700, 740 zone, you can expect it to move towards 42, 800, 42, 900. And it is only and only if you see US30 above 43,000 is where you can confirm that it is reversing. Also notice the point here, drop, retracement, drop, double bottom, and trying to bounce back. So this reversal is going to be pretty strong. If it stays above 43,000 levels, we are looking forward to a greater rise. But when you look at the formation here, the crossover here on the moving averages on the daily charts is a clearly bearish sign, as this crossover with such a divergence is appearing after a longer time. It is almost 5 to 6 months we have seen such divergence here. So you have to be watchful here. It is looking downwards and it is right now on the sell side. The stochastic rising, though the MACD has also seen sharp bearishness. It is willing to cross over, and the RSI is comfortable. So considering this, I will recommend you to only if you see it is staying above 42, 700, 720 zone, expect 42, 800, and then 42, 900, 43,000 levels should appear. Beyond 43, stay bullish for the day, for the week. 43, 200, 43, 500 should be there. On the downside, I can recommend you to sell at 42, 630, expect 42, 600. 40, and once it drops below 42 500, you can expect 42 400, 360, the next strongest support zone. Only and only if it trades below 42 400, 360, stay short. For more bearishness at 42 200, 42,000 should be there on the cards. Check, trade your positions accordingly. Let's move towards Germany40. See, Germany on the hourly charts finding the support here at 19,880, 900. See, it has formed a very good support here and now trying to rise. See, strong consolidation means stronger bullishness, and that is what has happened here. And thus, this zone is very critical now for Germany40 to break past by. While on the upside, we can also notice 19,960, 980, or in fact 20,000 levels. These are very critical levels for the DAX to break past by. And another point to note, till 20,000, 20,050 zone, I will recommend you to stay cautious with the buys. Though the moving averages are crossed over and are trading bullish looking upwards, but I can see still a bit of resistance here. The stochastic has come to an overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over for the buys. The RSI is looking upward. The signs are still supportive for the, But at the same time, one must not forget the resistance it is getting here on the upside. See, yes, a reversal sign and a rise, it is very, very important for the DAX to trade beyond 20,000, 20,050 zone, the critical milestone. And the next one should be there at 21,100, 20,100. Remember what is happening here. It is trading in this box. It has to come out of this box in order to confirm a direction here. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge, RSI rising, signs are supportive for the bulls here as well. On the 3-hour charts, also similar observation, forming the support, trying to break, trying to bounce back, and a move beyond 20,000, 20,050 should be a good indication for further rise. Remember, DAX has consolidated enough here and rise retracement second high, so it can move towards higher highs, which means 20,100 is possibly on the cards very soon. Yes, the indicators are looking forward to an up move here as well. On the 4-hour, the observation is similar here on the 4-hour charts, increasing body size, increasing support here, and now trying to bounce back. Only thing is, this is the zone which is going to remain critical, and then 20,100. Only and only if DAX is seen trading above these levels, you can say that the bulls are back. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, RSI is comfortable. Coming to on the daily charts, greater support zone till 19,800. The 50 period right now it is trading above 20 period, which is a good sign for the bulls. Also remember, higher lows are seen, so only selling entry now in DAX is below 19,880 levels. As long as 19,880 is not taken, I will not recommend you to buy DAX. Sorry, sell. Also double top here, making 20,050 levels greater resistance zone, above which you can say more bullishness should prevail here. So this is come down towards a crucial resistance which it needs to break with the force in order to confirm a direction here. Yes, the stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a little up move, but it is getting a stronger resistance there on the upside. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 19,980, expect 20,000, 20,000, 20, 20,000, 40, 50 levels. If this is taken, stay bullish for 20,100 levels, the next milestone, and beyond 20,100 is stay bullish for 21 to 2250, 21, 2400 levels. And on the downside, now a selling entry here is at 19,880 levels, below which you can expect 19,840, 800, and below 19,800 it is not going to come back up again. We are looking forward to a greater correction this time, taking it till towards 19,600, 400 zone very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to UK. Now, when you look at UK 100, see, this is important to note the resistance it is getting at around 8265 levels. And what has happened since then? We have seen a pullback, though it has come down towards the support zone 8200, 8220. Notice the second point here, first rise, then retracement, bigger rise, then it can form a little retracement. Also notice it is delivering this higher lows, lower highs. The support levels here towards 8160, 8140 is very, very strong. So now if you see the FTSE 100 trading below 8200, you can sell for 8185, 8160, 8140 and lower levels. Yes, the indicators are still having room for further rise. Specifically, the MACD is looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, though, I can see a bit of resistance here. Now it is looking downwards, but I will say that it is getting support at 8210. So till 8200, you can expect a greater support should be there. Rise retracement, rise retracement. Also notice after this support, it has turned aggressively bullish. You can see the increasing bullishness here. Higher highs are there, higher lows are there. So today at least till 8200 you have to be cautious, and 8185 you have to be cautious here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over for the sell, though RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar till 8200. Very good support till 818085. Also the next support levels exist here. So let's see if it gives you a breakout here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading with the sell here. RSI has dropped. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here, support till 8200, 8180. Pretty strong here, below which you can say more bearishness should be there. Look at the formation, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. It is now turned into an aggressively bullish channel here. Stochastic oversold, MACD is crossing over for sell. This is important, though the stochastic is at oversold. So I think we have to wait for it to take a direction. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, see, we have already seen, though the important point to note here is the MACD crossing over here after the hitting the lows, and it is trading with divergence. So you have to be cautious here. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 8235 levels, expect 8255, 65 as the next target zone, which is a greater resistance. Any point of time, FTSE 100 is staying above 8255, 65 is stay bullish for 8285, 8300, and then 8320. Beyond that, a stronger rise should be seen here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 8208 levels. Expect 8200, 8185, 8180. 818580 should be a very good support. Below this, expect 8165, 8140, and below 8140, I think a greater correction is there on the cards. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.